everyone, welcome to Simply Utsana. We are still in Mazatlan, Mexico. Today, we want to take you to a quick tour at Pueblo Bonito Emerald Bay Resort and Spa. Opened in 2007, has over 400 suites with a private ocean view balcony. This room is a junior suite with a kitchenette and heated floor bathroom. Two queen beds and a private balcony. Or you can stay in a villa that has 3 bedrooms and a private pool. There are 3 swimming pools and the only adult pool with a jacuzzi. The main pool has the breathtaking sunset view infinity pool and a swimming up bar that you can enjoy soak up the sun with a refreshing cocktail and snack. There are 3 restaurants and bars. This one is a bistro, an international cuisine from fresh sushi to mouth-watering pizza to a steak and lobster dinner. Or a traditional Mexican dish. Kelly Bar is a unique bar that serves upscale cocktails and light finger food amid a dark and classy atmosphere. Harmonious Bar is one of the best, largest, and the most full-featured in Mazatlan. This is the only AAA 4-diamond resort in Mazatlan. Pueblo Bonito Emerald Bay Resort and Spa is an elegant jewel set on 20 acres overlooking the Pacific Ocean, named the top resort in Mazatlan by Condé Nast Traveler. This magnificent resort features its own private beaches, 3 swimming pools, koi pond, lush major garden, a world-class bar, and graceful neoclassical architecture recalling old Mazatlan. Thanks for watching. See you next time.